I love this one.
Never knew you like that. Never knew you like that. Never knew you like that.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia. If you're new here, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. And if you're a current subscriber already, thank you so much for subscribing. You already know what's good. So I know I've been gone for about 2 weeks, I believe. A lot has gone on within those 2 weeks. I actually did get in a little bit of a car accident. And then after that, I got really sick with a sinus infection. And then I got better, and then I got sick again. So I've been out and just getting better, so I'm back and I'm okay and I'm here. And I'm super excited to share with you guys this week's video. I'm going to be doing a haul, and the company that I'm going to be doing a haul on is specifically is going to be Bow & Tea. I'm not sure if you heard of this company before. I actually found them on Instagram, and I figured why not give some of these products a shot. I've been on the hunt for some good quality online clothes. I feel like over the years and over the months, the quality of clothes, especially that you buy online, have just gone down. So I'm super excited to give you guys my honest opinion on some of these things that I've gotten. Now, this is a combination of my stuff and my best friend's stuff. She ordered some stuff as well. So I figured why not do a haul with everything, give you guys my honest opinion on how it fits, the texture, the size, the quality, and all that stuff. So I don't really want to talk too much because I have a lot of stuff to share with you guys. So let's kind of jump right into this week's haul. Okay, so the first things I'm going to show you guys is actually the jumpsuits. Now, I've been on the hunt for some good jumpsuits. I feel like sometimes they don't fit properly. They'll be tight in some areas and loose in some areas. So I was really excited to get these jumpsuits. So this is actually the first one I got. I got it in white. As you know, summer colors are pastels, white and black this year. So if you didn't know, you're welcome. But this right here is the first jumpsuit I got. It is ribbed, so it does have like lines on it. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Let me see. There you go. You can kind of see the ribbed material, and it's really stretchy. Like, this is a very stretchy type of jumpsuit. I personally did order a size small just because based on the other jumpsuit I got, I figured why not go a little bit smaller, and because it is really stretchy and thick material, I figured maybe I could squeeze into a small, and I was right. But I love the white. This white is just super fresh, super awakening, and it's just a summer vibe for me. So because I got it in white, I had to get in another color. So yes, I did also get it in a purple, a lavender. I absolutely love this one. I feel like I love the white one so much, I had to go get another color, and I chose lavender. This is super, super, super cute. Now, they are really stretchy, so if you wanted to even pull the shorts down more, you can pull your shorts down a little bit more. If you want to have not that much cleavage, you can pull it up as well. Another thing to keep in mind is that I really like that the middle part of this outfit, it kind of cinches you in and has a little bit more of a tighter type of ribbed material in the middle, so you can get a little bit more snatched in the waist. So let's move on to the next jumpsuit. I love this one. So the next jumpsuit I'm about to share with you guys, actually I did order a size up. So this material is a little bit more of a stiffer material, so it doesn't have too much of a stretch. So be mindful of that if you're looking for this one. Right here, it has a longer short, which I absolutely love that. So if you want to be a little bit more covered, this is a good alternative instead of the other jumpsuits I just shared with you. But this one is like a nude, super, super nice, full coverage. It like really just gets all of your curves. So I really like this one. It's got like a nice little halter top. Now, I wouldn't say it does any cinching per se. So if you're looking for it to like snatch you in, this one I wouldn't say would do that. The reason is because I also did order the next one I'm going to show you, and you're going to see that it is a size small in the same material, and it just doesn't snatch you in as much as I thought it would. So I got this one in a medium because I feel like it gives you a little bit more breathing room, and it gives you some space for it to like grab all of your curves. I'm going to change into the other one that's a small with the same material, and it's just a little too small, so it doesn't really like grab all my curves. So I'm going to change into that right now. Okay, so this one, I love the color, I love the style of it. Now it is a size small, so as you can see, it doesn't fit the same way as the other one, and like you can really notice it because it doesn't like grab my whole back. Like my back is actually like this, but it kind of just straightens it out. Like it makes me look a little bit more like wider. So like my back is here. See, so because it is a smaller size, it can't really like get around all my curves because you know I'm slim thick. But this size, I love the color, I love the style. I just don't like that it rides up here, but again, it's because I ordered too small of a size. So be mindful, because this material is like a straight, not ribbed material. It is stretchy, not as stretchy as the ribbed one. So if you're gonna order this, I would order your actual size or medium, or if you want to order maybe a size up. These shorts, they're long shorts, so if you want to be a little bit more covered, you can totally get this jumpsuit. You get like a nice coverage sleeve wise and length of the short. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this is the next jumpsuit. I love this jumpsuit. I love the color of it. I love the fit of it. I got this in a size small as well. Now with the top, I love that you can actually adjust the strap. So when you can adjust the strap, if you wanted, you can actually cross the top. So I'm gonna cross the top so you can see what it looks like if you wanna wear it in a different style, but the same thing. So let me cross it and show you guys. Okay, so as you can see, you can cross the top if you want to cross the top. I love that you can make this a little bit different just by changing the adjustment of the straps. It's super thick material. Like this is not a see-through type of jumpsuit at all. Now I'm going to show you guys the same jumpsuit but in the gray color. This is the gray one. I will say it's a little bit more like a purple gray, which I prefer. I prefer the purple gray, so I'm not hating on it. I'm gonna move it closer so you can kind of see like how the material is. As you can see, like stops right here. Like you can see that line. That line to like down here is a little bit tighter, so it kind of just brings you in a little bit more. But super cute, same jumpsuit, just a different color. And yeah, definitely approve this for the summer. It shows a little bit skin, gives you a little bit coverage. I would say the only thing bad about the jumpsuits is like you gotta take it all off to use the bathroom. But pros and cons to everything, people. Pros and cons to everything. Okay, so the last bodysuit that I got was this one. This one is literally just like a bodysuit. It doesn't have any shorts. I did get it in a small. I wanted it to be pretty fitted, but I love the fit of it. I love that it kind of accentuates the side of my front profile. So even if you have a little bit arm fat, you can't really like see it because it's showing like the whole part of your arm. So this is what the back looks like. Show your little back muscles off. Super nice. Nice color. It's like an off-white kind of cream color, but you can do a lot of things with this type of bodysuit. This, super cute. So I actually have one more bodysuit, and this is the last bodysuit. It's got a little ruffle in the middle, like it's meant to be like kind of ruffled up. So if you have a little bit of a tummy and you want to cover it, this would be a good bodysuit to buy. If you wanted to even make it a little bit longer, you can untie it and make it longer. Or if you want to kind of scrunch it up, you know, give you a little bit sass, you can tie it on the side. You have a little bit of like a scrunch in the back here. This is a tag still. But I love the top. It really accentuates like your chest and your neck and all that. The only thing I will say is that because I guess the sleeves are a little bit tight, you don't really get all of it like in your arm. I guess you gotta really like pull it in there. But it doesn't really like go like underneath your armpit, which is okay because I'll be honest, I sweat anyway, so the less is better for me anyway. It's also not see-through, like you cannot see through this at all. So this is a size medium and it is definitely approved by me. So this is the first set that is from Bow & T. This size is actually a size large. The large I have a lot of space in. You can definitely have like a super long short, and then the top I have pretty good coverage. Now I'm gonna be honest, I would probably get a smaller top, keep a smaller top, because I like to be like kind of like in my tops, like I don't have any space for me to like spill out of it. So it is a little bit loose, like as you can see it's a little bit loose for the shoulders for me. But if you have broader shoulders than me or you're bigger at the top than me, then this would be maybe a good size for you. I'm gonna change into the purple one so you can see the same thing but a different color and a different size. So let me change into that now. Okay, so this is the lavender purple one. Here you have it says Bow & T. This is a size medium. I don't know if you can tell. It is a little bit more fitted than the other one. I just prefer my gym clothes to be a little bit tight because when I'm working out and I'm sweating, I feel like it makes my clothes a little bit loose. So I like it a little bit tighter so that even when I do get wet and sweaty, it still is fitted and keeping me together. As you can see, because it's a medium, I have like less loose space here. So just be mindful, if you are smaller, you could totally do a medium. But if you want a little bit more space, you want a little bit more coverage, go for the large. It's not too much of a difference. These things stretch, guys. Like, this thing stretches so much. So this is the medium in the two-piece jumpsuit. So this set is actually from the newer collection from Bow & T. This is the ribbed collection that they have. Same type of material as the first two jumpsuits I tried on, except I will say this is definitely a little bit more thicker than the other jumpsuits. I don't know if you can see the ribbed material on here. You can see the lines, and you can't even like see through. You know when you like pull clothes and you can see through? Well, you cannot see through in this. And I'll be honest, I don't even have space in here. But I love it. A nice little black set. I did get the pants in white, so I'm going to show you the pants in white, and I'm going to show you this last top that is also from Bow & T, and then we'll do a final review in a second. So let's change into the last outfit. Okay, so this is the last outfit from Bow & T that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. This is the blue top. It's got a nice little like cross in the front to kind of accentuate the top. It's a very rich color, like it doesn't seem faded. It is like workout material, so it is very stretchy. Again, it's not like see-through either. It's not a see-through type of material. This is a size medium. Now the pants, I kept it a size small. Just be mindful when you wear white, if you do have cellulite, there's nothing wrong with it. But if that makes you insecure, sometimes you can see the cellulite when you wear lighter pants. But I think because these are ribbed, you don't see the cellulite like at all, because I don't see my cellulite in these pants. So this is the white version of the same pants that I had in black just now. And of course it goes all the way down to the bottom. Super cute, love this. Again, super stretchy, and these pants are a size small. Medium top. So now I'm gonna bring you guys in and give you guys my final review, kind of share with you how you wash some of these products. So I'm gonna go through all of that in a second, so let me bring you guys in. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys my final review on everything. Now when it comes down to the rib material, I noticed that material with Bow & T is super stretchy. So if you're looking to maybe size up or size down, I would probably pick your size or even a size down. Now when it comes to the other brown and nude jumpsuit that I did try on, I would definitely suggest to wear your size, your actual size, or maybe size up if you want a little bit more space. I wouldn't size down in the brown or the nude. And I feel like there is some longevity when it comes to these clothes. I hate when you order gym clothes and you can feel like, oh, after 4 washes, this is gonna look pretty like I've had this for a couple of years. And I'll be honest, I hate that. I feel like working at the gym, you work so hard at the gym and you buy these clothes and you invest into these clothes so that you feel good at the gym, and by the time you're done using it at the gym, washing it after like 4 or 5 times, they look terrible. So I'm gonna give you guys how you wash it. Be mindful when you buy gym stuff, wash it the way it says so that you can get the longevity of it. It has this little tag on all of their products, and it tells you how to wash it. It tells you how to maintain it, and it's super simple to read. I hate when you have those tags and it's like full of a whole bunch of stuff, but really simple to wash. So it tells you what it's made out of. 90% nylon, 10% elasticity. It says machine wash cold on a gentle cycle. Do not tumble dry. I personally air dry all of my gym clothes. I do not put any of my gym clothes in the dryer. That is the worst thing to do to your gym clothes, especially this type of texture and material clothes. Don't put your clothes in the dryer. I'll be honest, Bow & T is giving some amazing, insane sales. They're always having a sale. 40% off, 50% off, 60% off. It's almost like addicting. Like you're like, I need it. But aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's haul. I hope you guys got some information. I hope it gave you kind of a ballpark of what size to order if you are looking to order stuff from them. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.